Hi again, everyone. This is an
exclusive hot.
Hey everyone, I'm your superintendent, Brad Hunt, and this is my daughter, Juliana.
Hi, I'm Jules and I go to CHS 9.
And we are here today for another special edition of Hobbies with Hunt. And I'm really excited about today's hobby. We have one of our 7th graders from Coppin Middle School East, Cole, who is going to be sharing us one of his hobbies, which is cooking.
Hi, Mr. Hunt.
Hey Cole.
Today we're going to be making blueberry muffins. But you can use anything. Strawberries, raspberries, anything you want. So first we're going to take a mixing bowl and half cup of butter. We're going to put the butter, usually I'd have a stick, but don't. So we put the butter in there with the sugar.
How much sugar?
And we'll put it in the mixer and let it mix. And you want it to get a creamy feel.
Okay, 1.5 cups of sugar. One. Bowl. We don't do a lot of cooking, Cole. 1.5 cups of sugar.
So what have you been doing, Mr. Hunt, over the quarantine time?
Well, Cole, we've been playing a lot of games. We've been going on the walks. We've been doing our regular schoolwork, too. Hope you've been having some fun also. We're just enjoying spending some time with our family, since there's nobody else we can spend time with.
That sounds fun. I've been cooking a lot and building a lot of stuff. I'm making mask holders for healthcare workers. So if anyone out there has to wear a mask every day, contact me.
That's great, Cole. I know a lot of people can benefit from those masks, so good job.
Okay, so now that we have the butter all mixed up, it should look something like that. So, if I can get this to fit, we're gonna add 1 egg at a time. So we're gonna pop this up. That was a bad egg crack, but whatever. And we're gonna start mixing that again. And now all the butter and sugar that we've made is now gonna start mixing in with egg. Once that's kind of mixed in a little bit, we're gonna add another egg. Now that it's mixed together completely, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So now we're gonna grab a second bowl and we're gonna sift out our flour. The reason we sift it is to make sure that there's no chunks. So now that we've sifted that in, we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Ooh, well, that was a little too much. So, I'm not going to do all that in. But, the baking soda helps it rise, so you want to make sure that you don't put too little in or too much. You're going to put in some salt, and you're going to take a fork and mix it all up.
Pinch of salt.
So now that we've had this all mixed up,
This is looking really good, Cole.
we're going to bring the mixer back over and we're going to mix in the dry ingredients. So we're going to put in a little bit at a time. We're going to let this run and just put in a little bit at a time. And then once it's kind of mixed in, you're going to add a little bit of milk. And then a little more flour of our flour mixture. And you're going to keep alternating until both ingredients are out. And then also, you want to take a spatula like this, stop it, and make sure you scrape in the side. And then you'll keep running it. So there you have it. You've learned how to make blueberry muffins, but you can use anything. Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, chocolate chips. So yeah, thank you, Mr. Helen, for having me, and I'm gonna go eat this.
Well, these muffins are delicious. Thank you, Cole, for sharing your hobby with us. We appreciate you very much and enjoyed spending some time with you. This has been another rendition of Hobbies with Hunt, and if you're looking for something to do while you're sheltering in place, I highly recommend Cole's Blueberry Muffins. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.